guys, it's Aditi aka That Quirky Miss, and apart from creating fashion and beauty videos, it has been my dream to explore all the cities and the places with amazing food since I'm such a foodie. So I'm starting off with my city Delhi, and this is the 8th episode of #Quirky Eats, the crazy Momo festival in Delhi. This video is my tour and experience of the most awaited Go Bazinga Momo festival in Delhi that was held last weekend. The entry ticket cost was for ₹100 per person, and it claimed to serve you over 300 plus variety of experimental fusion momos from various cafes and stalls in Delhi. Let me just start off by saying that food festivals का ambience is something जिसमें बहुत ही chill vibe होती है, but at the same time there was a lot of crazy crowd for all the momo and beer lovers out here. The whole of Ansal Plaza was so colorful, and each stall had different variety of momos like peri peri momos, manthu, sandheko momos, even pizza momos and barbecue rum momo. So सबसे पहली variety that I tried was these barbecue rum momos from Firangi and more. The rum part was super attractive to me. Now ये बात काफी shocking थी कि एक full plate में बस 5 ही momos थे, and इसका cost was ₹180. That's too expensive in my opinion. But still, I was super happy when I tasted them क्योंकि the barbecue rum momos were yummy, spicy, had a kick of rum in it and a lot of tanginess. These food festivals always have beera, which again is a bit overpriced. If not, you can have coffee and energy drinks too. When I moved on to the upper floor, again I found new and ऐसे variety of momos जिनका नाम मैंने life में कभी नहीं सुना. Things like pan momos, Mexican momos, chocolate momos, peri peri momos and cheese-filled momos were so unique. इसके अलावा they also had options like waffles and these spiral potatoes in lots of flavors drenched in sauces. Now कुछ different try करने के लिए I explored this Changezi momos वाला stall and this Arabiata momos, and finally decided to try a unique combination that is Rogan Josh variety momos from Let's Dim Sum, and oh my god, it was the worst decision of my life. The preparation looked yummy, but जब ये ₹200 के 4 momos मुझे मिले, I was extremely disappointed to see them drenched in so much oil. ये momos इतने oily थे कि एक bite लेना भी मुश्किल था. It was too spicy for me, and even Ishan didn't like it. Now to take this horrible taste off my palate, I went to Sardarji's momo stall. They had tandoori momos, fried momos, gravy momos and Afghani, and they also looked so yummy. But क्योंकि मेरे Instagram में some of you guys recommended me to try vodka momos, so I went to this chili pepper stall to get these 5 momos for ₹180. The good thing is that उन्होंने मेयो और मोमो चटनी दोनों ही प्रोवाइड की थी. I was expecting ये मोमोज बहुत माइंड ब्लोइंग निकले, but honestly guys they were kind of average. मतलब इससे ज्यादा अच्छे मोमोज भी मैंने अपनी लाइफ में खाए हुए हैं. एक चीज जो I liked a lot was the tender texture of vodka momos and the Afghani feel to it, so a thumbs up for that. The final and the last kind of momos I tried were these kurkure momos, and this momo was also a part of my Quirky Eats episode 1 Best Momos in Delhi. I really loved this concept, and almost everyone I saw, सभी लोग kurkure momos ही try कर रहे थे. It was quite delicious. They also had a whole lane for shopping junkies, and a lot of quirky items were on sale. Apart from food and shopping, इस festival में I got to see some rocking live performances too. And the best part was meeting 2 of my lovely subscribers. Overall, my review of the Momo festival is that it's made for people who are ready to spend 2,000 to 3,000 on the overpriced momos and beer. FYI, my stomach got real upset after I came back home, and I'm sure it's because of those oily Rogan Josh momos. Yuck. But अगर आप पक्के मोमो लवर हो, and if you love to experiment and splurge your money on food, then this place is just for you. So that's it for today's video guys. Please इस वीडियो को like करो, share करो and comment करके बताओ what kind of momos are your personal favorite. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to this quirky foodie and hit the bell button for more videos. You can follow me on my Instagram for more behind the scene kind of stuff at That Quirky Miss, and I'll see you next time. Bye!